What's up, creatives, and welcome to the Romeo Show. We've got the VR art all ready for you today, so what were you waiting for? Let's roll the intro. What's up, everybody? How is everyone doing? Hope you had a good week and good weekend. If you're new to the show, my name is Romeo. I am a sketch artist and life coach. I draw with graphite pencil to realism of your family and pets, and I'm also a life coach drawing art therapy videos and helping people to focus and concentrate on their career paths, helping them to focus, helping them to bring out any sort of skills, creativity, any sort of like I was saying, any sort of skills that they might think they might have, and bringing that out of them and helping them to pursue a career and journey off to a successful career that they may want to lead, whether it's for teenagers or for adults as well. You can contact me at romeo@romosketches.co.uk. There is a link at the bottom of this video where you can go to my website and see all the other ins and outs and things, and where you can contact me also on there, and all the prices and things like that. We can do it as a one-to-one in person, or we can do it on Zoom calls as well. So what you're waiting for, folks, send us that email, and let me help you guys out, and whatever you guys want to be pursuing in, what you want to be doing. If you just want to have a little chat as well about other bits and pieces, we can do all this. We can help you guys out through art therapy, mandala drawings, affirmations, manifestations, all of that sort of thing. We can bring that all to you. So give us an email, romeo@romosketches.co.uk. And yes, we've been getting into all the VR work we have. I've been doing a lot more of the VR drawings, really sort of getting my head around it, seeing what the other tools they can do, and really coming up with some really cool little ideas. I did the throat tracker last week of the Mandala drawing, so if you want to check that out, just click that link. That's just at the top there. We've got a Zentangle pattern going on today. I'm going to be doing other little videos as well. Maybe we might do like a robot and other sort of creative stuff, flowers and houses and little worlds and forests and little fantasy worlds and things like that. So I want to be doing more of that sort of stuff. They may be separate videos. I may go back to doing the drawing videos back on this show again, and start doing all the drawings back again on here. Or I might stick to do the VR work on here as well. So I've got a lot of things, a lot of ideas going on at the moment. So stay tuned. We'll see what we'll be doing. It'll either be the drawing ones or the VR work, but either the two, they're still going to be coming out on my videos, whether it's on this show or any other videos that I'll put out during the rest of the week. So let's get down to today's VR drawing. Drawing you a nice, relaxing Zentangle pattern. You can draw this one along if you want to draw along with it. And if you have a VR set and you've got the tilt brush, you can follow along with that as well. If not, just sit back, relax, and just watch me create. Enjoy, people. Here we are again, everybody. Welcome to Tilt Brush. Today, we're going to be just doing our Zentangle pattern with inside our 3D space. So we're going to choose our background first. I just want to get a nice plain background. So we've got a nice white background, which is pretty much similar to a piece of paper. I'm just going to get rid of the fog as well, because that tends to make it quite misty in the front. We're going to do a nice simple pattern. We're going to be drawing within a circle. So let's get our straight edge tool. Brush. Get our circle, which is not bad, but actually I wouldn't mind one that was Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go quiet now, and I'm just going to let you guys just enjoy the whole process. And that's the end of the show, folks. Let me know how you guys got on with that video, and if you enjoyed it, hit that like button. And that's the end of the show, folks. Thank you all again for watching, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, click that bell, and turn on notifications so you know when I upload a new video. My name is Romeo. This is Romeo Sketches, signing off. Peace out.